Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn just one photo into a full 3 times 3 photo grid with different poses and expression using Google Gemini Nano Banana. This is one of the newest AI powered features from Google that lets you instantly edit or transform images with just a simple prompt. It's super easy and perfect for creative edits or social media content. Okay, let's get started. First, just open up Gemini, either on your browser or the app, and make sure you are logged in into your Google account so you can access all the tools. And then just tap on Create Image, this one, or you can also just tap on Tools icon, this one, and then Create Images. Next, just upload the photo that you want to use. You only need one photo, and then Banana will do the magic to generate multiple versions from it. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then choose your photo. And now comes the fun part. In the prompt box, just type something like this. For example like this. This is will tell the AI to create a 9 image grid with varied poses and vibes, almost like a professional photo booth strip. You can use this exact prompt or adjust it to match your styles, maybe change the lighting, background, or mood. And once you're happy with the prompt, just click on generate. And okay, like this, you will see your photo transform into a 3 times 3 grid of unique poses like this. Pretty cool, right? Just look at this. It's like having 9 different shots from a photo shoot, all created instantly from just one picture. And then you can just download it and then just post it to your social media. And okay, that's it. Super simple. From just one photo, you now have a full 3 times 3 photo grid ready to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.